awesome morning changers. How are you? Uh, this coming year, we are discussing about the letter structures. Last year we have seen some of the letter structures, and we'll continue this in this year. So the next letter structure I would like to share and show is D. There are some different ways. This is letter D. Okay. Now I would like you to see in your handwriting what kind of D is it showing. Frequently which kind of D is coming. Write some words like dad, dawdle, or doodling. Some words which has letter D frequently, and write those words frequently and see what kind of D is coming. Is it coming this D top, the second, or the third one, or any other variations which I am not able to show it here. If any other variations which you have in your handwriting, share that picture of the alphabet, the clear picture of it, and we'll see what different kind of D's we can see. Okay, so share your sample, share your letter structures, and we'll discuss in coming videos what these letter means and how you can transform yourself using graphology and these letter formations, practicing, and how this graphology in a written format and non-written format, how it can help you. Okay, so stay tuned, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.